We launched REGENT Defense 1 year ago, and since then, it's become one of the fastest growing parts of the business, and we've seen huge interest from the Department of War in using Seagliders to fill their critical capability gap in high-speed maritime mobility. REGENT Defense is developing a family of Seaglider systems, so we can bring this new capability across sizes and form factors. We developed our autonomous Seaglider drone, Squire, for defense operations. Squire is directly in line with the Department of War's initiative for drone dominance. We are actively in the flight test campaign now, doing high-cadence flight operations with our autonomy systems on board. We're entering our third year of contract execution with the Marine Corps Warfighting Lab. What's really exciting is that now what we were once talking about as mission sets, we're actually demonstrating in the real world with our actual prototype Seagliders. We hosted U.S. Secretary of War Pete Hegseth and other senior defense leaders at our headquarters in Rhode Island and briefed them on how Seagliders are revolutionizing maritime mobility and filling a key capability gap in contested logistics and drone dominance. At REGENT Defense, we're working tirelessly to bring the life-saving capability of Seagliders to the warfighter.